It's hot at Central Florida. Meteorologist Leslie Hudson in for Rob Eicher. Hi, Leslie.
Hey, good morning to you guys. Yeah, you can't escape it. It's like a bad penny. It's always turning up when you don't want to see it. Or I guess pennies are a good thing. All right, here's temperatures this morning. Mid-70s across most of the area. 75 in Palm Coast, 78 in Sanford. We're 76 in Leesburg, 75 in Ocala. And we do have some rain out there in the Gulf of Mexico. I was actually thinking it would be a little closer inland. It's taking a little bit longer to get over to the coast, so we'll still keep them in the forecast today. I do expect to see showers and storms building as that energy comes in off the Gulf and moves back towards the east. Coverage wise, we're going to probably be a little less because I think that this is going to actually be a little less of a player than we had yesterday, but there could be a flip side to that. The fact that we're going to have more sunshine means we could see some stronger storms. Anytime the sun is out long and it has a chance to do its thing, and we're going to get some storms in the afternoon. Right now, enjoy this gorgeous shot we have here from our weather camera. 76 degrees, winds out of the southeast at about 3 miles an hour, and we'll have lots of sunshine at least for the next several hours. We are expecting some of those late day storms around 2 o'clock, and we'll detail more about that coming up in just a few.
See you then, Leslie. A developer
outside, isn't that right, Leslie?
You got that right, Lauren. Definitely hot today. We are going to get some rain. Certainly would love to send some of this out west, but we all know that can't be possible. But certainly we will take what we can get. We have been in a drought, as you know, for many months. We do have some rain now starting to get a little closer to our area. These are the showers that I'll be watching later this morning and into the afternoon. The rest of it is pretty clear out there. It looks really nice, and I think it's going to be a good start to your Sunday. It should be a little bit on the warm side. We'll take you live now to UCF, where I'm sure things will be bustling tomorrow early morning as everyone gets back to school. 78 degrees is our current temp there. South to southwest winds at about 9 miles an hour. Now, as we take a look at our satellite picture, here's what's going on. It looks great, you guys. We've got lots of sunshine out there. Yesterday, you may remember we had some rain, but now things are looking great. We have our live camera here in the Villages. Lots of sunshine there. Temperature 79 degrees. No winds at this hour. And I expect to see it a pretty good morning and a good start to the afternoon. It's going to take a while for the showers to get into the area. Right now we're scanning live Guardian radar across all of Central Florida. Nothing really in our neck of the woods. There is some rain coming in just south of the Big Bend area. All of that will move towards the east. So right now it looks like parts of Marion, Putnam counties, you'll be the first area to see the rain late morning, early afternoon, and then the sea breeze really is what's going to have to develop for us once the southwest flow gets moving, and that's going to help trigger some of our storms. We do have a lot of sunshine out there. There's still a lot of moisture in place, so I do think there's going to be an opportunity for some stronger storms later today. We've got high pressure to the south of us, and it's bringing in a southwest flow, and that will help pin those showers and thunderstorms along the beaches. So the more sunshine we have, the more opportunity for storms to become unstable. Right now we're in the mid to upper 70s, but climbing to the low 90s. We'll have more on your forecast in just a few.
We'll see you then.
Looks good outside.
Yeah, lots of sunshine, Lauren. Perfect start to the Sunday. And because we've got full sunshine, just a couple of clouds, those temperatures are moving quick. We're 81 right now in Sanford, 80 in Orlando, 81 Kissimmee, and in the upper 70s to the north of us. There are showers starting to come in from the west side, so we'll watch those as we get into the morning. It's going to be a later start for the storms. If you watched us yesterday morning or if you were out and about, the storms were already over Central Florida just 24 hours ago, but not the case now as we look at our Skycam. Gorgeous picture here. We're 80 degrees in Orlando. At 11 o'clock this morning, we'll be at 87. And then by 5 o'clock, yes, of course, we'll have a storm or two out there. Rain chances will be about 50%. That's a little higher than normal, but not by much. As we look at the satellite picture again, there's not a lot going on. There's plenty of sunshine out there right now, but that also could mean better chance of stronger storms. The longer the sun's out, the more the atmosphere has time to get unstable, and that will help trigger the storms today. So we'll watch for that, and we're also looking out for some showers to develop in the Gulf of Mexico on a southwest flow that will help bring them over Central Florida. But in the meantime, our forecast is looking good. Daytime high today for us should be in the lower 90s. As we plan out the day, we'll keep our temperatures for now in the lower to middle 80s, quickly climbing to the upper 80s, and then by the afternoon, our daytime high should be right at 92 degrees. We'll detail the rest of your forecast and take a look at your 7-day, all coming up in just a few.
Yes, it was, and it was very tasty, I have to tell you right now. You really want to watch that because it's really unusual what we're cooking on the grill.
Leslie and I wanted to taste it.
Yeah, we're all hungry.
We are.
I can tell you it was good when we recorded it.
Oh, a little show off.
I'm just telling you.
It's perfect weather for grilling.
Yes, next time Sheena will bring some food and We'll eat it. No, none for Tom. We'll give it to Christine. We'll give it to Chemist, and Tom doesn't get any. No, I'm kidding. Of course, we'll all bring food. All right, looks good out there, you guys. Perfect day to do an early day picnic if you're going to get out and enjoy the sunshine. It's not too hot right now. We're 82 degrees in the Port Canaveral area. Looking good. South to southwest winds at 7 miles an hour. Lots of sunshine today will help trigger, I think, some strong thunderstorms later today. Right now, things are looking good across live Guardian radar. There's not a lot going on. There's some showers north of the Grand Bahama Islands, and we've got some showers now starting to pop up on the radar well offshore of Tampa Bay, and these will continue to move inland. So you've got several hours here to get some things in before the rain comes. The humidity is certainly high. We're in the 80s to 70s percentiles, depends on where you are. 79% right now in Sanford, 87% humidity in Orlando, but very high in Palm Coast, 94%. So even though this humidity isn't terrible, it's certainly very high. It's going to help trigger some of our storms later today. The beach forecast looks good at this point. 91 is our forecast for today. The southwest wind will stay out of the southwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour. We'll have more in your forecast in just a few.